who was appointed as the chairperson of the 8th Central Pay Commission? Right answer is option D, Justice Ranjana Prakash. Which state was formally declared the ginger capital of India by Niti Aayog? Right answer is option C, Mizoram. Which state became India's fourth fully literate state, joining Mizoram, Tripura, and Goa? Right answer is option C, Himachal Pradesh. Who was elected as the first female Prime Minister of Japan in October 2025? Right answer is option B, Sane Takaichi. Where was the COP30 climate summit held from November 10 to 21, 2025? Right answer is option C, Belém, Brazil. Who was appointed as the 37th president of the BCCI in September 2025? Right answer is option D, Mithun Manhas. Where was the 25th SEO summit held from August 31 to September 1, 2025? Right answer is option A, Tianjin, China. Which country took over the BRICS presidency from Brazil during the 4th BRICS Surpass meeting held in December? Right answer is option B, India. Which country has announced plans to build a nuclear power plant on the moon by the year 2036? Right answer is option A, Russia. Which team won its maiden Syed Mustaq Ali Trophy by defeating Haryana? Right answer is option C, Jharkhand. How many times has Nitish Kumar served as the Chief Minister of Bihar? Right answer is option C, 10th times. Which city has become the second city in India to be recognized as a UNESCO City of Gastronomy after Hyderabad? Right answer is option B, Lucknow. As of December 2025, how many Ramsar sites are there in India? Right answer is option C, 96. Copra Reservoir, designated as the 95th Ramsar site of India in December 2025, is the first Ramsar site of which state? Right answer is option D, Chhattisgarh. Who was appointed as the 15th Administrator of NASA in December 2025? Right answer is option D, Jared Isaacman. Who was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature for the year 2025? Right answer is option D, Laszlo Krasna-Horkai. Who was appointed as the 13th Chief Information Commissioner of India in December 2025? Right answer is option C, Rajkumar Goyal. Who was appointed as the 53rd Chief Justice of India? Right answer is option C, Justice Suryakant. Who was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize 2025? Right answer is option A, Maria Corina Machado. Silicere Lake became India's 96th Ramsar site in December 2025. Is located in which state? Right answer is option A, Rajasthan. who became the 15th Vice President of India in September 2025? Right answer is option B, C.P. Radhakrishnan, who received the National Lata Mangeshkar Award for the year 2025. Right answer is option A, Sonu Nigam. Which Indian NGO became the first to win the Ramon Magsaysay Award in 2025? Right answer is option B, Educate Girls. Which state became India's first fully digitally literate state in August 2025? Right answer is option A, Kerala. Who was elected as the 12th Director General of UNESCO in November 2025? Right answer is option D, Khalid El Enani, who was assumed charge as president of the FICCI for the 2025 to 26 term. Right answer is option B, Anant Goenka. PM Narendra Modi inaugurated India's first nature-themed airport terminal in which city? Right answer is option D, Guwahati. India won the first ever blind women's T20 World Cup in Sri Lanka by defeating which country in the final? Right answer is option A, Nepal. Where was the fifth National Conference of Chief Secretaries chaired by Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi held in December 2025? Right answer is option D, New Delhi. Who was appointed as the Controller General of Communication Accounts and assumed charge on September 2025? Right answer is option D, Vandana Gupta. Which country did India defeat in the final to win its first ICC Women's Cricket World Cup? Right answer is option C, South Africa. According to Swachh Sarvekshan 2025, which city was declared the dirtiest city in India? Right answer is option B, Madurai. Who assumed charge as the new director of the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center on August 1, 2025? Right answer is option B, Dr. A. Raja Rajan, who became the 35th Director General of the National Cadet Corps in October 2025. Right answer is option D, Lieutenant General Virendra Vats, who became the first Indian woman to win the Fight Women's World Cup. Right answer is option B, Divya Deshmukh. According to the National Annual Report and Index 2025, which city is the safest for women in India? Right answer is option A, Kohima, Nagaland. Who was reappointed as the Attorney General of India in September 2025? Right answer is option C, R. Venkatramani. President Draupadi Murmu conferred the 2025 Vigyan Ratna Award posthumously on which eminent astrophysicist? Right answer is option D, Professor Jayant Vishnu Narlikar. Which Indian was awarded the Champions of the Earth Award 2025 for climate leadership? Right answer is option B, Supriya Sahu. Who was appointed as the 29th Controller General of Accounts of India? Right answer is option D, TCA Kalyani. Where will India's first dedicated forest university be established? Right answer is option D, Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Which institute topped the overall National Institutional Ranking Framework 2025 rankings? Right answer is option B, IIT Madras. Who was appointed as the first woman Director General of the Railway Protection Force in July 2025? Right answer is option C, Sonali Misra. Which rocket was unveiled by PM Modi as India's first privately developed orbital rocket? Right answer is option B, Vikram first. What is India's rank among the 181 countries in the Women, Peace and Security Index 2025 to 26? Right answer is option B, 131st rank. Where was the first edition of the Khelo India Water Sports Festival held in August 2025? Right answer is option B, the Lake Srinagar. Which country hosted the BRICS summit in 2025? Right answer is option B, Brazil. Who has been awarded the Booker Prize 2025 for his novel Flash? Right answer is option C, David Saleh. Which country hosted the 46th ASEAN Summit 2025? Right answer is option C, Malaysia. Which country has become the first in the world to receive UNESCO recognition for its national cuisine? Right answer is option A, Italy. Which country hosted the G20 summit in November 2025? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.